Hi guys, welcome to this week's segment of the Cultural Marketer. And this week we're going over some WeChat basics. So if you have registered for your WeChat account, your next question is, well, how do I share my news onto my WeChat Moments feed? Well, there's three different ways to do that. So the first one is if you are reading an article and you want to share it with your friends, you can scroll to the very bottom of the article, and then from there, you'll see that there's a button where you can tap on share. And if you tap on share, it's going to provide you with an option to either share it to a chat or share it in your moments. So you want to tap on that, and then the shared article will appear as a link on your WeChat Moments. So that's the first way you can share content onto your WeChat Moments. And then the second way would be if you are in your, at the bottom there of your WeChat app, if you're in the Me menu section, then you can tap into My Posts, and then you can tap on My Moments on the top right, and then tap the gray camera icon to select a photo to post. So you can either post a photo or a video. And then the third way that you can post to your WeChat Moments is if you are in your Discover tab. So if you are in your Discover tab, what you would want to do there is to tap on Moments at the top. I'm just scrolling through my phone there. So once you're in your Discover menu page, then you can tap into Moments. That's right at the top there. And then you can, what you'll see are all the moments that your friends have posted. And then the top right where the camera icon is, tap on that and you'll have an option to share either photos from a photo album or a video, or you can also choose to use your camera to take photos or to record a video. So that's three ways that you can share onto your WeChat Moments for your personal account. So that's our WeChat Basics segment for today. And if you like this video, make sure that you give us a like. And if you want to follow along for the latest updates and WeChat tips and other cultural marketing segments, make sure to click subscribe.